Hello everybody, it's Miss Perry. Today for our speech sound practice, we are going to practice the letter S. So first, let's look over here to see how to make the S sound. We are going to call this sound the snake sound because it sounds like a snake is nearby when you do it the right way. So let's talk about what our mouth should do when we make the S sound. We're going to keep our lips apart and our teeth on top, kind of like when we smile. Our voice will be off and quiet. The air will come out long. This is what the S snake sound sounds like. S. Let's look at a video model of inside your mouth when you use the S the correct way. Notice your tongue is here at the bottom. Inside your mouth, you will find your teeth. Your tongue should never come in front of your teeth when making the snake sound. Keep it hidden. Remember your smile. S. The tongue comes towards the front. Excellent job. Now I think you're ready to practice with some words. Let's open it up. What word is first? Seal. Long air. Seal. Sometimes you can practice the snake sound by sliding all the way up your arm. Don't stop the air until you reach the top. S. S. Sounds like a snake is nearby. Let's try another word. Oh, very important when washing your hands. Can you practice this word using long air? Soap. Soap. Notice how my teeth are on top, my lips are apart, and my tongue does not come between my teeth. Soap. One more for great practice. I wonder what word. Wow! Look outside and you can see the sun. Sun. It's a really nice day out today. All right, boys and girls, remember that your S is the snake sound. Your lips stay apart, your teeth are on top, and keep your tongue hidden. S. Find all the words around your house or even outside that start with the S sound. Have fun practicing.